Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of
Come and stop by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. I'm ready for your fucking man. Too early for your fucking nails. You're running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiera.amber here, and I'm back with another video. Of course, I'm doing my hair again, but this time it's a little bit different. I'm installing a lace front wig today. This video is actually sponsored. I'm super excited. This is a very special video, my first ever wig sponsorship. Like, can we get a round of applause? Like, I'm so happy. I've been waiting for a hair company to reach out to me that they could sponsor my video. I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed. Thank y'all for watching my videos and commenting and tuning in, because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this right now. This has literally been one of my goals. I cannot wait to get more. All the information about this wig will be in the description box down below, along with the coupon code, so you can get some money off if you decide to purchase this wig or purchase from the company altogether. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and just tell me what you think about this wig, about this style. Let's get into the video. Here is the box that the wig came in. It's just this black box that says Idefine on it. This wig is 100% virgin hair. On the back of the box you have the website and any other contact information. You have a information card just telling you how to take care of the hair and just extra details about the hair and about the company. As you can see, the wig is packaged in a plastic bag. There are also 2 wig caps that they provide you with, one lighter one and a darker one, so that's nice. Depending on what skin tone you are, you can use one of those wig caps in your install. As for the wig itself, it came in a plastic bag. It did have a net over it to hold everything nicely. Here is the construction of the wig. As you can see, this is a lace front wig. It is not a full lace frontal, so keep that in mind. You only have a very limited parting space. No parting space on the sides, but just in the middle of the wig. These knots did not come pre-bleached, so that is something that you will have to do yourself. Some bleaching powder and some 30 volume developer, and just making a paste and putting it on the wig. I'm not gonna lie, I had this on the wig for a good amount of time, probably about 20 minutes, just to make sure that those knots are bleached. I washed it out, and when I tell you, the hair felt so soft and silky, no shedding whatsoever. I really love the quality of the hair. As you can see, the hairline on this wig is very full, so it was a must to pluck it. I do show you about how much hair I plucked out of the wig, and later on I do a little bit more plucking, but this is just to your personal preference. Okay, I'm sure by this point in time y'all have seen 100,000 wig installation videos. I'm not going to be talking about the steps that I took to install it, but I'm going to be talking about the wig itself. Idefinewigs sent me a 12-inch bob wavy highlighted unit. Like I said in the beginning, this is a lace front wig and it is not a full lace frontal. With it being 12 inches, I already knew that I would want to wear it in a side part. That's just what came to my mind. I'm really not a middle part girl, especially when it comes to short lengths. But because of the limited parting space, I basically had to wear the wig on the side of my head, if that makes sense, so that the parting space would be more so on the side, so that I could get a side part out of it, which in turn caused me to have to cut the unit a little bit so that everything will be even. So by the end of the video, this 12-inch wig probably turned into a 10-inch wig. I would also like to note that this wig has a very beautiful natural wave pattern. In the beginning, I really wasn't sure how I wanted to style this wig. It is 12 inches, so I didn't have very many options. At first, I was thinking just blow dry out the whole entire wig and do wand curls, but the hair is so big and poofy. I ultimately decided to wet it down and put some styling gel in it, and I absolutely love the look that it gave me. It was such a pretty wet look, and it turned out so sleek and so cute. I loved it. Overall, this is a pretty good wig. The lace melted beautifully into my skin. The hair was very shiny, silky, no tangles, no frizz, no shedding. The hair waves up very beautifully when you put water on it, and it just gives such a effortless and casual look. The only complaint that I have is the limited parting space, just because I love a deep side part, but there are ways to get around that. Be sure to check out my description box to see all the details of the hair, as far as what size wig I got, the density, the length. Again, huge thank you to Idefinewig for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. For the rest of the video, I'm just going to be installing and styling the wig, so make sure you stay tuned and see how it all comes together. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah!
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say. But I say I'm all about, you are love. You're a positive, motivating force.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me?